Welcome back. Well, put a new winch on the front of the side-by-side, having a little problem with the other. Just a second. It wasn't working. So, I got the pieces over here. Yeah, let's go over here. So, yeah, you can see all the crud and crap. So, just basic tools, put the new one on, sort of. Remember that easy when you buy a cheaper, cheap winch to put on it. I don't use it that much. I just want it to work when I want it. So, I'll do a little explaining. So what was required was welder, some tools, shrinking material, couple stubborn bolts. Why is that light still on in there? Did I not shut all the lights off? I did not. So, So I picked up the cheaper version. Well, see, the gearbox is really good on this one. Gearbox works fine. Took the hook off it. That's up on the bench. All the controls. Look at the remote. I don't even know what kind this is. I'm assuming it's a knockoff too, but it had a nice little light. I want to save all this stuff because I want to put a winch on the four-wheeler also. So. Odds and ends of crap left over. So the first thing you do is you get the instructions and you thoroughly read them. No. Brand new instructions, never been used. We'll save them in case anybody really wants to read them. So I took off the first, the dead one, and I had a couple stubborn bolts. I could have got them, but why? You put some nice of the plastic gloves on so you keep your hands nice and clean. And then you get to ripping and tearing. So, I understand that they have really smart people that make all the winch controls and everything they want to do and everything I have no intention. Well, let me back up. The new one comes with a remote. I have no intention of using a cord and standing off to the side and wrapping the cord up in the tires and ruining where you plug it in because they want you to mount it out front. This box right here. This box, they want you to mount out front. Well, you know what's going to happen in that box. It's going to fill with water. It's going to fill with crud like the other one did. And then it's not going to work. Well, how do you say it's going to do this? Well, you go back in here. And the keys out. And we have this nice remote. So you hold the button for 2 seconds. 3 seconds. I don't know. There, light came on. Now it's ready to use. Out. In. Ready to go. It'll cancel itself in about 2 minutes, so it doesn't draw any power. Now, if the battery's dead and I don't have a battery with me to use the remote, well then we'll just open the hood. There is a hole right here. See it? There was a hole here from the other one that had the plug in inside so they could do the same thing because they didn't have the remote. Well, we can run that cord out, hook it right to here. I still have to put the cover back on the side-by-side battery box. There's some sort of a fuse or something in here. So I shortened these down, soldered them, heat shrinked them, And then I used their ends and I just kind of cannibalized their system and made it work for me. So now the light's still on. It does go out. I've watched it go out. It'll just, it'll be gone. So, so we store the code. Let's see. Oh, the old registration. New one's already there. We have the new remote here. And they gave us a really nice little clevis we can hook to something to pull it out. Now, I don't know how much that winch will pull, but you know, if there's something I want to yank up on the trailer, or if I want to, I don't know, get in the woods and I get a little stuck and the four-wheel drive won't get me out, I can bring it out and hook it around a tree. ATV utility winch, Badland. Wired, wireless with automatic load control. How many feet of wiring do we have? 50 feet. 50 feet, 2,500 pounds. You aren't going to be able to pull much at 50 feet with a 2,500 pound winch. Okay, it's going to pull a lot. It's going to take a lot of power to pull that cable in, but you know, we can hook to something. I don't know. I just wanted to fix it. Just wanted to fix it. So that's what I've been doing. Other changes. Let's see what I've done in the last week. It hasn't been snowing. Yeah, I had to weld. Oh, let me go back. What? Come on. Let's go back. So, I don't have any grade 8s. I will change them out to grade 8s before I paint that. But the plate that came with the 2,500 pound winch did not match up with that one, or did not match up with the plate right here. The bolt holes. So I drilled new holes. I got grade 5s in there with lock washers on them. I've got, they give you aluminized bolts. They're going to shear. I'll show you. They're over there. So I got that all done. And then when the plate that was the original plate with the other winch, I cleaned it up and I welded the new winch plate to that and then installed the winch to that. That's what I did. Let's go back. Let's get off the winch. I've had enough of the winch. Oh, wait. So this is the new one that came with it. The other one's beefier. We used the other one. See? I know they're supposed to be tough. They're metric, so, and they're finer thread or whatever. Oh, I had a nice little hooker left. We'll save that. Okay, so what else do we do? So the radio, which I can't let you listen to it, but the radio took a crap. And that's been in here, went through a lot. So this is the stereo I had when I was in my early 30s. And, you know, time goes on, we don't listen to the music, the CD player, all that kind of stuff. And this actually had a record player. It was a pretty nice system. Those are, what are they? Advent speakers. Well, that one works. That one's got a blown something on it. It just crackles after sitting all these years. It probably dried out and cracked. So I put one of the good speakers up there for in here. Yep. And the other JVCs, they're still up there. So I got music again. And if you remember some of the videos, there used to be a great big refrigerator in here. Well, my son took that to his new shop, which left me no fridge. So my wife bought me a little fridge. So I'm going to build a stand as soon as I can. So it's not, I don't have to lean over. I'll bring it up ways. So, you know, and I got some water in there. And whatever else I need. So that's what's going on. Winch is on. It isn't snowing. I'm getting a little bit of time to play with some of the stuff that I've been meaning to do. If it stays like this and we're not getting any snow, of course, we're going to get a little snow tomorrow night, they're saying. But if it continues or there's no snow, I will probably start bringing the lawnmowers in and I will run through them, change the oil, get them all ready, sharpen the blades, grease them, and I'll put them out, and then I'll put the trickle chargers on them. And I want to get going on my brother's 51 Jeep, Willie's Jeep. We got some new metal. we'll be putting that on. I want to get the starter on it and the spark plugs in it and fire that motor up. And I'm not sure, there's another video coming out on the 94 F-150. The second half, I'll tell you in that video, I lost the first half of that video yanking the motor. So that's what we're doing. Hey, thanks for all the new subscribers. Hit that like button. Share them with your friends. I'm trying to get some videos. I'm at 400 and some great subscribers, and I'd like to get. I would like to get to the point where I got 1,000 or better, and I can do some live streams when we're plowing. That would be what I would want to do. And I could have my co-pilot when she wants to ride with me, ask me the questions and stuff. Be kind of neat, new thing, but I got a long ways to go. I got 600 and some more subscribers. 600 and some more subscribers to get, and I got to get my views up. I know my videos are long and people want short videos. I'm going to try to shorten them up, but today's not one of those days. But we'll do. I'm going to probably start doing some 3 minutes. What I can do in 3 minutes, and I'll put it up, and you can stick with me for 3 minutes and watch it through, and hit that like button. We'll roll along. Yeah, we're focusing on the tractor, so that'll probably be the thumbnail. And we're talking about a winch, but we'll get a thumbnail of the tractor. Let's do a thumbnail of this. Let's see if this works. I'm at 11 minutes. You're not going to watch this video to the end. But if you skip to the end, or you hang into the end, thanks.